this is the reverse, the first verse and the last verse. So we went one way, we're going to reverse this to the left. So we're going to go everything to the left. Left, 2, 3, 4. Reach, which foot's going to come forward? Left, which is going to do the Y. Y, which way are we going to go? Left. Yeah, we're going to bend this way. Let's go that again. Ready? And left, 2, 3, 4, reach and cross. Take it up, 2, 3, and a Y, oh, and dip, and out, and pick, get up, and kiss, and never backhand. Which way are you going to go? Backhand. Which way are you going to go? Left. Left, and right. You got to go right for this verse again. Up, 2, 3, okay?
Oh, you go right for this one?
Yeah. You got it? We got it? Want to do it again?
Yeah.
The whole thing or just the left?
The whole thing. No, just the left. The last thing's the left.
Left, 2, 3, 4, reach and cross. Left foot comes forward and the right's going to do the Y. Mouth and out and touch it and open and kiss. Back arm, tell. Go left. Da 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 da. Okay?